ऑलमोस्ट हर बंदा जो ये देख रहा होगा जो मेरी एज ग्रुप का होगा इज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फैन ऑफ ड्रैगन बॉल। आई मीन क्या नहीं है ड्रैगन बॉल में जो तुम्हें फैन ना बनाए एज अ बॉय एटलीस्ट। आई हैव अ मेजर क्रिटिसिज्म ऑफ ड्रैगन बॉल दैट हैज ऑलवेज बग्ड मी एटलीस्ट अ लिटिल बिट एंड इट्स ऑलवेज जो कि काइंड ऑफ मेरे को कहने का हक नहीं है बिकॉज I kind of became a fan of that. Okay, I'll just start from the beginning. I really like Dragon Ball. One of the first animes that I watched, one of the first animes that I was really crazy for. I remember मैं अपने पापा का फोन लेके 1 घंटे में सारी विक्सर की वीडियोस देखने की कोशिश करता था about how Super Saiyan 5 is the OP and shit like that भाई I mean, I still remember the times where I used to watch those power level videos. Bhai, that shit was gas, bhai. Like, I still can't find some of those videos, bhai. I genuinely used to get an orgasm of those videos when I was like 9, bhai. Good times. But as you all know, Toriyama has died. And in my opinion, maybe even before, Dragon Ball has died too. Kind of hypocritical coming from me because मैंने actually Dragon Ball पे simp करना तब चालू किया था around that tournament of power arc. वो एक tournament of power dick sucking session. Holy fuck, that was such a good arc, bhai. Like everything was fucking perfect for that arc, bhai. People don't regard it as one of the best arcs, but I do, bhai. Like genuinely, the transformations, the fight, the villain. Oh my god, the fucking villain dog. And what's up with Super Saiyan, भाई भाई लिटरली मेरी जिंदगी का सबसे कूलेस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन था भाई। फक गियर 5 एनी नारुतो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अल्ट्रा इंस्टिंक्ट dogs on that. Ultra Instinct Goku, forget about Piccolo. Ultra Instinct Goku was the biggest aura farmer of that entire genre. Like, how can you not see this shit and think it's not fucking peak dog? But yeah, so I kind of became a fan. The dick sucking arc ends right now. So yeah, I kind of became a fan of that whole series around that time when it was broadcasting. Obviously, I watched DBZ. I kind of knew about DBZ and watched it, but I became a super fan at like that time. But and obviously then there was the Moro arc, which I mainly watched from the YouTube video explanations, also by Vixar. But at some point मैं बस ये सोचने लगा था कि भाई एक कहावत होती है ना, मारा सांप को कितना मारोगे। इट काइंड ऑफ वेंट लाइक दैट टू मी फॉर टू बी ऑनेस्ट कि भाई मैं कितनी बार देखूंगा गोकू और वेजिटा को सेम प्लॉट में सेम तरीके से हारते हुए और फिर वो जीत जाते हैं एट द एंड। लाइक डॉग, इट्स गेटिंग रिपीटेटिव एट दिस पॉइंट। एज मच ऑफ अ ड्रैगन बॉल सुपर टूर्नामेंट आर्क फैन आई एम, इट काइंड ऑफ शुड हैव एंडेड एट Dragon Ball Z. I said it. If people really wanted something else to watch, they could watch Dragon Ball GT. But as far as canon shit goes, it should have ended at Dragon Ball Z. Dog. I'm gonna be honest. There's also that thing of Goku being like immature as the story progresses, which I actually read ki bhai Toriyama wanted to make him like more mature and adult like, lekin Toei and like publishing wale, I don't know who the fuck, like those guys made him dumb down the character, which was a fucking, I mean, it's good commercially, but like it killed the story of it. Like I genuinely liked Goku in like Cell arc, then I liked him being a dumbass. Like this was a guy who was genuinely very mature. Like the whole when Krillin asked him, "How are you so sure that we're gonna beat Cell?" and he's like, "I'm not sure." Arc was like fucking amazing. The maturity of Goku. I know we kind of dog on him for giving Cell the Senzu bean, which is kind of fucking yeah. That's the case. Case number 2, my all-time favorite anime, probably it's a tie between this and AOT, and it's Naruto. Bhai, Naruto is genuinely one of the greatest animes I've ever seen. I can't quite put my finger कि मेरे को कौन सी चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा best लगती है, but even still I go back on it. The world building, the characters, the antagonist, the whole plot is just fucking amazing, dog. Way better than One Piece, way more personalized than One Piece, because I relate to like the entirety of Naruto and its plot and its message way more than I relate to the message of One Piece. But I guess that's just the preference at this point. Personally, I don't even think I need to talk about how much Boruto, the unforbidden sequel of Naruto series, has ruined the show. Like genuinely, bhai, I can never win any argument with my best friend तो जिसका favorite anime One Piece है, because every time he's like, what about Boruto? Like, shut the fuck up, dog. पता है मुझे. But that's the thing, like, Boruto could have been a 7. It couldn't have been a great shonen series, but it could have been a good anime, भाई. अगर उन्होंने बस जो वो चीज़ कर रहे थे किसी ओरिजिनल आईपी के साथ किया होता, बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट फकिंग अप द नारुतो कैरेक्टर्स डॉग. कोई और ही एनीमे चल रही है. अब मैंने ब्लू वोर्टेक्स तक देखा था और उसके बाद मैंने देखना भी बंद कर दिया है, बिकॉज एट दिस पॉइंट भाई कुछ भी हो रहा है. इट्स अनदर सीरीज भाई. And I found out Kishimoto doesn't even write it. He barely has anything to do with it. So I feel like at this point it's just ruining the legacy, bhai. But yeah, bhai, Naruto and the whole Naruto and Naruto Shippuden, everything, it could have been and kind of still is a really one of the goals. But Boruto is the perfect example of why some series should end at a specific time. When something is born, it is equally as important to kill it. Case number 3, Squid Game. मैंने फर्स्ट सीजन देखा था. आई फकिंग लव्ड इट. इट वाज जेन्युइनली द शो ऑफ द ईयर. उसकी कमर्शियलाइजेशन है मेरे को थोड़ा उससे पुट ऑफ कर दिया था, बट इट वाज स्टिल अ रियली गुड शो. उसमें दिख रहा था कि भाई राइटर ने कितना ज़्यादा उसको पैशन से लिखा है. एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी डिटेल्ड एंड स्ट्रक्चर्ड. बट देन केम आउट स्क्विड गेम सीजन 2. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई पर्सनली थिंक ये काफ़ी जल्दी आ गया था, बिकॉज आई एक्सपेक्टेड इट टू कम लाइक काफ़ी टाइम. मुझे लगा था कि काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा इसे निकलने में, बट वट एवर. मैंने देखा फर्स्ट एपिसोड, प्रेटी गुड, बट yeah, the second season was not it. It went from a genuine masterpiece, 9 out of 10, really deep, like whatever the fuck. Felt like it was a parody of itself. Obviously it gave us some goated moments, but like, is that the extent of your creation as someone who made such a absolutely amazing series? मैं बड़े शब्द क्यों छोड़ रहा हूँ, but anyways, now the season 3 has came out and my first thought was इन्होंने बहुत जल्दी नहीं निकाल दिया season 3, but whatever. I want to watch it, but at this point I've not heard good things about it, and I don't wanna fuck up my memories of watching the original Squid Game even more. So yeah, these were some examples of why it's important to kill a story that was born. Why it's important to kill a story at the right time. All good things must come to an end, or else it will come to an end when it's really bad. Bye.